I'm Valerie Kinlock, Professor of Literacy Studies in the Department of Teaching and Learning in the College of Education and Human Ecology here at Ohio State University. I am also the new director of the Office of Diversity and Inclusion for our college, and it is a pleasure to actually sit in this position and to encourage initiatives that are focused on diversity, inclusion, and equity in the community, in the college, and amongst faculty, staff, and students here at Ohio State University. The purpose of the Office of Diversity and Inclusion for the College of Education and Human Ecology is really to promote, to advocate for, and to support programming directed toward diversity initiatives, equity in education, and inclusive educational practices. In order to promote, support, and advocate for different programmings and initiatives that are centered on diversity, equity, and inclusion, the office has a lot of different initiatives that we are rolling out beginning in January 2015. We have monthly conversations with faculty and staff that we're sponsoring, and those conversations are an opportunity for us to really think deeply about the role of diversity, equity, and inclusion in our college, in the kind of work that we are committed to doing. Thinking alongside faculty and staff, because I think one of the most important questions that we are confronted with is what is the role of diversity, equity, and inclusion in the work that we do as members of this college. And so those monthly conversations will happen beginning in February, and then every month we're inviting 10 to 12 members of our college to just have conversations with us. We want to actually affect practices and policies, but we also want to build relationships, and we want to support the types of conversations that will move this office into a place where we are critically thinking with other people about what it is that we need to do and how we need to do that work differently. Additionally, we are sponsoring a new initiative, and it's the Faculty Fellows Initiative. We have 3 departments in the College of Education and Human Ecology, and in each department we have a faculty fellow connected to our Office of Diversity and Inclusion. Each faculty fellow is committed to the work of diversity, equity, and inclusion in their teaching practices, but also in their research agendas. And this Faculty Fellows program is an opportunity for us to recognize pre-tenure faculty members who are engaging in cutting-edge research that otherwise we would know nothing about as a college. So how is it that we can support the work that they do as we promote the work of equity and diversity and inclusion in our college and local community? We are also sponsoring a mentoring initiative for African American females from Columbus City Schools and from The Ohio State University. And one purpose of this initiative is to provide opportunities for students in Columbus City Schools to really think about the possibilities of attending a place like Ohio State University, but also to receive enrichment opportunities and to talk about what does it mean to be a student in a public school in an urban community who might actually want to attend a university like Ohio State University. And that mentoring initiative is really important. It connects with the different social justice programmings that we have, but it also connects to this larger idea of what does it mean to be a socially conscious person who is a faculty member, who is a staff member, who is a student within the College of Education and Human Ecology here at Ohio State. We in this office take it seriously to think about these questions. We pride ourselves on collaborative work. We also pride ourselves on making connections with other people across the university, within this college and the local community, to really think about the role social justice, diversity, and inclusion play in every walk of our lives. And it's a pleasure to actually welcome you to the Office of Diversity and Inclusion here in the College of Education and Human Ecology.